Christian Gamov. I work for Fèis Rois, and well, the Ceilidh Trail is a national project now. We have 3 groups of young musicians going on tour for 4 weeks, and they're going all over the country really. So we've got one group who's staying locally. They're playing gigs around all of Ross-shire. And then we've got 2 national groups, one focusing mostly on Gaelic repertoire and one focusing on Scots repertoire.
The Scots Trail is visiting the borders first, and then we're moving on to Ayrshire, and then we go on to Aberdeen. We've got some gigs at the Aberdeen International Youth Festival. Then we travel back to the Central Belt for a gig in Stirling, and then it's up to Orkney and finishing up in Inverness with a joint gig with all of the other Ceilidh Trails.
An Ceilidh Trail chom do Ghaicrí a bhí isisiú I Féicne Dúcha le luchciúil éile agus a bhí cloich ag difear concertin agus céilíonn.
There are 2 other trails. There's one other national trail, which is the Gaelic Trail, and they're touring lots of different places in Scotland, and they're also going into England to the Cambridge Folk Festival and to Sidmouth as well. And then the Ross-shire Ceilidh Trail, they're touring in a more local area where Fèis Rois is based, and then we'll all finish up by coming together in Edencourt in Inverness.